Thanks so much for your interest in the Grow Health program. Now, when I designed this program, I had in mind anyone that was interested in growing a beautiful garden, learning how to grow some fresh food and to harvest and enjoy that fresh food, and to nurture their health and well-being while out in the garden and in nature. So if that is you, then this course will suit you. So I've included my 25 years as a horticulturist and all my knowledge and experience through all my courses that I create. And this one especially is very close to me because of the work I do in therapeutic horticulture. I've drawn on my knowledge and experiences with that to provide information that anyone can follow in this self-paced course. So if you're interested in nurturing your own health and well-being and following through these 14 lessons to grow a beautiful garden, grow some fresh food, and to nurture and grow your well-being, then consider joining this course. And if you've got any questions, please get in touch. I'm here to help you, and together we're going to learn, grow, and thrive.